Let's go! Hey everyone, I am Kinshuk Mathur and welcome back to my channel Kinshuk Unscripted. Today, I am super excited to explain the code behind something very special I built. My very own virtual assistant called Orbit. If you ever wanted to make your own Jarvis-like assistant that can talk, listen and help you out, then this is for you. Before jumping into the code, let me quickly explain the main Python libraries I used in my Orbit. Don't worry, I will keep it super beginner friendly. First, PyTTSX3. This gives Orbit its voice. It converts text into speech so that assistant can speak out loud. Second, speech recognition. This helps Orbit hear what you say using your microphone and converts it into text. Third, web browser. Let's Orbit open websites like YouTube or Google when you ask. Fourth, date and time or datetime helps Orbit tell you the current date and time. Fifth, Wikipedia. This library searches Wikipedia and reads out useful information. Last, random. This library used for the fun stuff like rolling a dice. Now let's open our Visual Studio Code and start to cook our Orbit, the virtual assistant. Firstly, we have to set up the voice engine. This code initializes the speaking engine and sets the speaking speed to 160 words per minute, nice and clear. Then make Orbit speak. Whenever you want Orbit to say something, use this speak function, its voice behind the assistant. Then listen to your command. This part is like Orbit's ears. It listens to your voice and uses Google to understand what you said. And then the main Orbit's brain, the main logic. Inside a loop, Orbit constantly listens to what you say and responds to it. Here are some awesome things Orbit can do. First, telling the date and time. Just say time or date and Orbit reads out your system clock and tells you the info. Then creating a to-do list. Say Orbit new task by milk and Orbit adds it to your personal to-do list file. Awesome. Now the interesting part, watching One Piece. Just say Orbit open One Piece episode 28. Boom. It opens the streaming site for you. Then opening websites like Pinterest, one voice command and Pinterest is open. Similarly, Google search. Say Orbit search Google who is Elon Musk and Orbit handles the rest. And similarly, YouTube search. Then rolling a dice, a fun element. Ask Orbit to roll the dice. That's it. Then Wikipedia info. Say Orbit give information about Python programming and Orbit becomes your pocket researcher. And that's it. That's how I build my Orbit, my virtual assistant in Python that speaks, listens, play music, search Google and YouTube, gives time, date and Wikipedia info and even rolls a dice. And let's go. If you want me to help you build your own assistant or dive deeper into any part, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech content. This is Kinshuk Mathur signing off for today. See you next time.